Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove a background in Adobe After Effects step by step. So whether you're working with a green screen clip or just trying to isolate a subject from the background, this guide will walk you through the whole process. First, open After Effects and create a new project. Then import the video clip you want to edit by dragging it into the project panel. Now drag your video onto the composition icon to automatically create a matching sequence. This helps keep the correct resolution and frame rate. If your video uses a green screen, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Keylight. Then drag the effect onto your video layer. Next, use the screen color picker inside Keylight and click the green background. You should instantly see the background disappear. When everything looks good, export your project using the Render Queue or Adobe Media Encoder. For transparent videos, make sure to choose a format that supports alpha channels. And that's basically how to remove a background in After Effects from start to finish. Once you practice it a few times, the whole process becomes way faster and smoother.